Okay, guys, so the camera just turned off, and I don't know what happened to my walkie-talkie. Hello? Hello?
Hey, son.
Oh, I thought my walkie-talkie messed up.
Oh, it ain't messed up. It's fine.
Okay, 10-4.
10-4, I'm vacuuming. I'll call you in a minute.
Okay. Sail to the east and he's up to the west. Some American free. Okay, guys, I got my BB gun. Red Ryder BB gun. I don't know if y'all care how much the BB gun, what the BB gun is, but remember that last video I made where last bird hunt video I made where I had the setup over here? Well, I don't have the setup over here anymore because our setup, it went from there all the way to down there. I don't know if y'all care too much about that, but no, I really don't either, but in America, okay, we're in where our setup was. I think we could get us a bird here, so I don't know if I will get the kill shot on camera, if I even do see one, but I think I actually need to be quiet, so let's get settled in and set up and break a few twigs down here and see if we might be able to, I don't know, get ourselves blocked, kind of. And, okay, we're kind of blocked, so a rifle. What's there? And the safety is kind of weird on it because zoom in. It is right there. And then, now see, I think it's on safety. Let's see, I just flipped it on safety. And try to flip it off safety. I think it's off safety now, but yeah. Zoom y'all into I'm hoping the birds will land. Hoping the birds will land right over there. Maybe we can blast them out of the sky with my BB gun. So yeah. I don't know if the birds will care too much that I'm screaming at the camera, but you'll see. Do this. Drop it on my knee or something like that. There's a bird. There's a bird. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I sure could. Okay, I'm actually gonna get it in a different spot. Mommy.
Yeah.
Be quiet. I'm trying to bird hunt, but I just did see a bird. And I don't know if they did, but I did.
Can't understand you, Levi. Move your mouth away from the speaker.
I'm trying to bird hunt and be quiet because I just seen a bird. I don't know if they seen it, but I did.
Okay, 10-4.
10-4, over and out.
Over out.
Guys, we're getting out of this spot. I don't know if y'all care, but I'm going over there. Now I'm gonna have to make a whole entire transport. I'll give y'all a good time lapse. Oh gosh, guys. Stop the time up here. This is hard. Okay, we're here. I don't know what just happened, guys, but my walkie-talkie just went nuts. Okay. My walkie-talkie just went nuts, man. I don't know what happened to it, but something definitely happened to it. So, yeah, we're pretty good here behind here, but can't see real good, so I'm actually gonna give up position, but it's still gonna be close to here, so I can reach my walkie-talkie. Mommy tries to tell me yeah, this will be crazy, guys. If I kill one, it's gonna be pretty good. And it is not a very comfortable spot where I'm at, but I think I could actually see a bird. If one might. I pulled this twig up. Like that. One more hand on that clear line right there. Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on, but we're about 10 minutes in, but I haven't seen anything yet, so do you want to see under there? I know it's just dark. Camera shut. But we are about 20 minutes in now, and I just spotted our first bird. I can't hit him at all. And I'm not even gonna try to shoot at him. But if he was close and landed on that barrel line, y'all wouldn't get to see me kill it. But I probably might have killed it if one lands on that barrel line. Ooh. Over there on that tree right there. Right there, that big oak tree. Now, I have a good feeling that one might land there. But I don't know, guys. Enough time to hunt birds. They can't come to you. You have to go to them. If you want to kill them, you basically have to use a .22 to kill them. But I've killed birds with a BB gun before, so I'm not gonna risk a chance of using my .22. And we're gonna just, go and rest on this tree here. Ugh. My God, what's going on with my walkie-talkie? I'll set it right there. And we will get right here. See if I better not land in that tree. Right there. Now y'all can actually see it. Let's go get in my hammock. Because I mean, y'all ain't got to see any hammock videos. Gosh. God, guys. Did y'all just see that? Did y'all just see that? How about this got them smacked in the face by a bird? It was crazy. Man alive. Ruger, be quiet. Ruger, be quiet. Hey. Ruger, do you know you're on YouTube right now? Ruger, you know you're on YouTube right now, don't you? Ruger, do you know you're on YouTube? Hey, be a good puppy. Be a good puppy. Be a good doggy. Be a good pup. Be a good dog. Be a good dog. Be a good dog. Hey, be a good dog. We're gonna put the walkie-talkie somewhere. Okay, guys, I'm gonna lay the camera down. No, I'm not gonna lay the camera down because there's nowhere to film me. Okay, guys, we get the walkie-talkie hung. Okay. Now we take our shoes off and just swing in here. Okay.
I need my phone, little buddy.
Okay, I'll finish the video on the hammock in a minute.
Okay, thanks. 10-4.
10-4. Okay, guys, that was my mommy calling me on the walkie-talkie. But, yeah, let's actually get in our hammock. I don't know what happened, but my mommy needs the camera, so let's finish the video on the hammock, and we'll end it off there. So, we're in the hammock right now, and my view right now is basically just that tree. But, you know the cool part about it? You can close up in here. And now we have no view except just a green thing. Yeah, a camouflage thing. Now, tonight, I might actually sleep in here. And I might actually video it. So, bye guys.